What's up, YouTube, man? It's your boy Taxi and the Lens. We're back at it again another one. Today we got the
Miss Cloudy, your favorite cloud.
You know the vibes. What's your Instagram?
About Cloudy with an eye.
You guys, you guys know the vibe. I'm gonna go ahead and put it up above her head, and I'm gonna put it down below in the description as well. Guys, today we got a little behind the scenes, you know what I mean, day in the life shoot, you know what I mean, just a little vibe, just let you guys see behind the scenes how I set up, break down and everything. She came to me with a few ideas. I'm just gonna go ahead and knock those out. Let's get it. I'm gonna do some test shots first, get those in there, just to get your skin tones right and everything. Hold one pose, choose a pose, and try to hold it real quick. Let me see, get your test shots right. All right, you guys, I got my speed light at 1/64. Ooh, it's pumping out already. ISO 200, f2.8, trying to get focused into those eyes. Got the skin nice. You put some oil on, so the oil is very much helping me. Bounce the light. 1/250 for the shutter. And look how we're looking.
Oh, yeah. Those are so cute.
Already, you know what I'm saying? Already.
Yeah.
Already bet. So, test shots ended up being actual shots, you guys. And yeah, we're just going to get into it. But I like to play around a lot. So, you guys know I'm a light guy, so I'm going to hop right into that real quick.
All right.
What up? Stand right here for me.
Right here for you?
Yep, come a little bit closer. Right there. Let me know if you can see yourself. Guys, important to have a mirror. Keep you a mirror. Gots to do it. Gots to do it. There you go. Let's see. Hold, hold, hold. Hold. All right, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and turn the lights all the way off. You guys will see how it's going to pop. Watch it pop. There we go. See? Got a little bit of the accent pink on the back side. Accent blue on the right side. Have these barn doors angling the light right onto her skin. There we go, just right here. There we go, right there. Angle that speed light, you guys. There we go. There we go. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Yep. Don't move, don't move, don't move. All right, back next one. And it's good to have a model that knows what they're doing, you know. Helps out a lot. You know, I'm the pose guy, but you know. But you know, it helps when they know what they want to do. There we go, hold it. Oh, hold on, I got an idea. All right, hold that one, don't move. I'm gonna lower my lights, you guys, so I can get it a little bit more direct onto her. Lower this light as well, so that way it's hitting more directly onto her. There we go. Hitting that skin, you guys, 100%. 243, I got 266 Neewer AD lights. Y'all know the vibes. Each side that the model's face is facing, you wanna put your speed light and your beauty dish on that side. Just how I moved it just then. Knock that out right here. Bop, there we go. Oh, yep, there we go. Another one. Bop. One more. Bop. Get a nice little low angle. I like that, I like that, I like that. Hold it, hold it. Yeah, hold it, I like that one.
Okay, see, I will like that.
Let me show you some of them.
Okay, yeah, I can readjust that one. All right, another one.
That.
Chin down. I always forget my chin. My biggest business. I think I'll like go. I'll do like some interesting like. Just trying to think.
To get into it, I feel you. Naturally missing my feet. That. When they move, you guys, remember to move your lights with them, because sometimes you'll forget and then you'll have some dark spots in your photos. And it just helps with time management as well. There we go. All right, let's do it. Trying to let you know. Whoa. Hold on, I'm about to show you. Hold on. Yeah, right there. That's probably better. Marie. Hold, hold, hold. Like it, like it, like it. Hold, hold, hold. Going up ISO, you guys. Moving it around. Try to catch every angle that you can right when you have it, because you won't get it again. Hold it. Don't move. Go back, go back, go back, go back, go back, go back, go back. Catch it when you got it, you guys. Hold it, hold it. Bop. There we go. Bop. There we go. One more. There you go. Hold it, hold it. Like that one.
Yeah, those are cool. That's cute. I like that too.
It's like just enough color, you know what I mean? Like just the accent. Like not too much, but just the accent. Now I'm aiming them at the background, you guys. Show you guys how this is gonna work out. Let's see. Angle this one up. First one. Remember to move your beauty dish as needed, you guys. There we go.
Should I put like my mirror in the back?
Hold on, do both. Wait. That's one. That's two. Now you get to see how it looks.
Forward, I think it's better. Yeah, I just not supposed to.
Just a memory. Hold it. There we go. One more.
I really like this one.
Hold that one. Hold that one. Let's see what that one looks like. Hold it. Hold. Down. All right, bet. Did you have more outfits?
Yeah, I just like, I know I brought like a lot of red, because I know I want to put red.
Okay.
Like jeans, like I like this ring type of outfit.
Cool. I'm trying to knock them out, sorry, because I know you want a lot. Yeah. Not only because when you get too many, like people were just complaining on my page just now. It's like, oh, why the hell did Taxi give me 302 fire photos and then tell me to pick 3? So it happens. So if you only have 100, it's easier. You know what I mean? It's easier to look through them. Because if you got like, you know, 1,000,000, then it's like, damn. Like if you choose 20, I choose 3 of the 20. If you choose, you know what I mean? Like if you choose 10, I choose 3 of that 10. Like that's what I would do. Because then I'll choose like what I feel is the best out of those ones that you choose.
That makes sense though.
Because then it helps you. Come forward a little bit. Right there. Yeah, just like that. Right there. Hold it. There we go. You guys, this type of pose is like more of a wholesome vibe. So you want to like capture the dominance of it. So therefore you shoot a little bit lower to give them that larger than life feel and that larger than life look. And then this comes out like this.
Yes. As it should.
I'm just saying.
As it should.
It does what it's supposed to do. All right.
I think like maybe like a couple more frames.
All right, bet. Standing?
What do you think?
You got a lot standing.
I do got a lot standing, especially on the ground.
So if you do want to do some more down, like squatted.
You squat, get on the floor.
Yeah, squatted, yeah. You can do that, yeah, there we go. You can do that one. Hold it. I bet you should be good. And yeah.
Yo, it's your girl Cloudy. First of all, amazing shoot with Taxi. Professionalism, everything was on point, on time, scheduled, everything completely professional. Everything was great. On time, efficient, made me feel comfortable. Check-ins was on point. I did this in less than 2 hours. It was amazing. If you want to support a young black man that's in the industry doing his thing and really working his ass off, support my dog Taxi. If you want someone professional, young, and up and coming, support my dog Taxi. I support him. You should support him too. Taxi!